A reading from the Holy Gospel according to Saint Mark. Glory to you, O Lord. One day the Pharisees gathered around Jesus, and with them some teachers of the law who had just come from Jerusalem. They noticed that some of his disciples were eating their meal with unclean hands, that is, without washing them. Now the Pharisees, and in fact all the Jews, never eat without washing their hands, for they follow the tradition received from their ancestors. Nor do they eat anything when they come from the market without first washing themselves. And there are many other traditions they observe. For example, the ritual washing of cups, pots, and plates. So the Pharisees and the teachers of the law asked him, "Why do your disciples not follow the tradition of the elders, but eat with unclean hands?" Jesus answered, "You follow people. How well Isaiah prophesied of you when he wrote, 'These people honors me with their lips, but their heart is far from me. The worship they offer me is worthless, for what they teach are only human rules. You even put aside the commandment of God to hold fast to human tradition.'" Jesus then called the people to him again and said to them, "Listen to me, all of you, and try to understand. Nothing that enters from one outside can make that person unclean. It is what comes out from within that makes unclean. For evil designs come out of the heart: theft, murder, adultery, jealousy, greed, maliciousness, deceit, indecency, slander, pride, and folly. All these evil things come from within and make a person unclean." The Gospel of the Lord. Praise to you, Lord Jesus Christ.